I'm recording. Look.
Oh, wala.
Papa Big Chin, what?
Papa video.
Papa Big Chin. Look. I'm recording. Pa, hello, this is my doggy. Doggy Papa Big Chin. I'm going
I-post mo dun sa ano mo.
to what? This is my mother pregnant. She's doing something.
Ano going?
Go. I'm recording.
Magbablog ka na. Magbablog na ata to eh.
Okay, actually, this is my chicken. Right, chicken? Okay. This is my chicken. I'm recording, Jay. Stand up. Stand up! I'm recording. Stand up. Do the same. I'm recording. Look, I'm recording.
Dito na kayo na Jody. May bibigay
Okay. This is the baby. Their baby. The owner is this one.
Kasama ka?
Her mother.
Okay. Kinakapagdal. Sige, dito na.
Okay, so let's check the bedroom. Oh, it's too dark. Here you go. This is my grandmother. This is her. My bags. Her bag. This is our TV. Hi. Okay. Are you? Okay. Both of we are recording.
Come on.
Hey, look. I'm recording also, guys. So I'm the one who.
Ikaw naman yung vlogger eh.
I'm vlogger.
I know. Come on.
So I'm gonna post this on YouTube. This is our cat.
Wow,
He's
come on.
blind.
Make one cut. And this and my cut.
The beautiful cat.
Yes. No kalmot me. You.
This is
The
the cat.
this
It's too dark,
and
so
my
you cannot
photo card.
see.
3 and photo card.
Oh, photo card.
And my baby. baby.
What? That is for the baby.
This is here I'm going to sit. Yeah, what's
The baby is shaking.
Hey, shit! Why my? Oh my God, you're bastos.
Bukas sila, no?
Myra.
What do you mean?
Hindi.
Sila Maring.
This is oh
Sila Ate Maring.
Frico Camelo Group Fertilo. Okay, actually, guys, Mani Puggy.
Money pugs. And my baby.
Jay, bili ka rin Maring yung elo.
Not me.
Hey, Mom, no! Goodbye, guys.
Stop talking back to your mother. Call your mother Jumbo Lip. This is the bully. She's
Kuya.
the bully and I'm much taller. She's 6, I am 7.
May sakit ako. 39 kilos.
39. Look, show it to the views. Guys,
And my this.
she is sick.
Tulad si baby, diba?
She is sick. The baby sleeping. Quiet. Just
Oh, my baby.
the baby and the photo.
Goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Sila Maring dahil.
Hey, bye-bye.
Bye.
Alam mo
Record tomorrow.
Ikaw.